Hi everybody, it's Patti and Debbie from Print and Pixel Studio, and our video today is going to be about our June freebie. And at the beginning of every month we have a freebie in our shop thanking all of our viewers and subscribers and followers that have been so great in supporting us. So if you hop on over to our Ko-fi shop, which we'll have a link in this video to that location, you can download this for free. And thank you very much for watching and supporting our channel. And so today we thought we would take this one little kit right here and just add a few scraps and stuff that we happen to have in our scrap box and show you some different feels and some different items that you can get using this little set. And the first thing we have here is this little tag, little journaling tag. We left the back plain so that there's plenty of journaling space. Now, these, of course, you don't get these, you just get the kit, but we're just showing you what we've made with them, so as an inspiration. We had some scraps from several different things. Debbie had one time, when we were doing an envelope video, had made this little envelope window and stamped it, and we thought it was really cute, but we didn't use it in that video at the time, so we just tossed it in our scrap pile. And today it worked out perfect for this tag. And what we did was we took this piece, this little square tag here. I think it measures, I'm not sure what it measures, but anyway, we took this piece and we cut it down to kind of follow the line of the strawberry and the butterfly. So give it kind of a curved line just for a little bit of interest. And then took Debbie's window here and glued it to the back part of the card to create a pocket. And then this one also creates a pocket. And then this little piece is a scrap from our French garden collection. And at first we thought, well, I don't know, do we want to use that in there? It doesn't have any red or anything in it. But we put it together and we thought, oh wow, this is really cute. We love it. So, and we love the fact that it's a totally different color than what's actually in the little kit. So it just shows you that you can mix and match all kinds of different pieces, with these pieces to get your own personal look. But it made a really cute tag, and we again backed it with that same music paper and just put a little tag on here so that we had something to pull it out with, and left the string on, which we liked. And cute. Then,
I said it's so cute.
It's so cute. And then here, Debbie took just the pieces that were in the kit. She didn't, well, not counting the button, of course, and this one little piece of paper that also is a scrap from our Garden Buddies kit. But anyway, the rest of it is all just the pieces that are in the kit. And she made up the little seed packet. And then she lined it with some craft paper, cardstock. And again, it makes a neat little pocket, or you can, put journaling notes or whatever you want in there. And then she took the card that comes in the kit and pasted it on the front. And then on the back, the little grain sack ribbon, paper ribbon, she took and cut it out and used it like a belly band and put the little label over the top and put this little note paper in there, and it couldn't be cuter. So it made a really cute little thing to stick in your journal. You could stick it in a pocket or tuck it on the side. Really cute. And just from the few pieces that you get in this kit today. Now, here is the next thing we're going to do. And we're both laughing at this because there's a story behind it. We both got new phones. We got those 16 Pro Max. And today is the first day we're using them. And we had a technical difficulty. The video shut off about halfway through. So we're redoing this. And unfortunately, I had already started this part of the project, which is a cluster. And so I don't have any more of these pieces. So you're going to have to bear with us here. And I'm going to try and explain how it actually went together.
This part.
Yeah, right. I have to do a catch up. So what this is shipping tape that we got. We had to order it online at Amazon because the only shipping tape that we could find in the stores was too heavy duty and it was very shiny. So this we got off of Amazon, and we're going to leave a link for you because this is the kind of tape you need. The stuff that's in the stores you don't want to use. It doesn't give the same effect. And also you need something that you can that's got kind of a shiny surface, so when you tape the tape down to it and decorate it, then you could pick it up because it has the sticky back on it, so that it's already ready. Just to, when you're done, you can already just pull it out and stick it into your journal, and it's already glued, which is nice. And so let's see. So anyway, what I did was I tore a piece of that tape and stuck it down to the backing here from the sticker paper. Then we had these little tiny coffee filters that I forget the name of them. They're from Melita, and they're some kind of like little personal. I think they're the ones that they put in. You know, if you do those K-cups, but not the disposable ones, the ones that are stainless steel and you put your own coffee in. I think that's what these fit in. I can't remember the name of them, but they're the smallest ones they make. And so we'd found a package of them at a thrift store. So I took it and I kind of wadded it up so that it's, you know, it had some kind of texture to it, and then inked it and glued it down to the tape. And then we had this vintage fabric, which Debbie and I are going to be crying on the day we don't have any more of this because we just love it. It's so French looking, so European feeling, you know. Anyway, so we took a strip of that, cut it to the length we wanted, and then frayed the edges and glued that down. And so that's where we left off in the last video that none of us will ever see again. And then we had this tool that we found, and it has like I guess you could see it here. It has like kind of a vine effect woven into it, which we thought was perfect for this. So what I was thinking is we put this down here, and then we put this little guy on top and arrange it so that that vine shows. So that's kind of what we're going to do. And we had thought maybe of we cut a piece out of the label that comes with the kit, and this is French for the strawberry, and we were going to use this. But then we thought, you know, I don't know, let's do something different. So what we're going to do is we're going to safety pin this onto the paper after I ink it, and we think it gives a really cute look. So here we go. So where's the ink? After our disaster, So pretty much that's what I'm going to do. And what we're thinking is you're going to watch me do this while Debbie's going to tell you some exciting news that we have.
So we're kind of
You got to talk up.
excited.
Yeah.
Because in August, we're going to a journal workshop put on by Donna with Twisted Paper Studio and Leslie with 507 Willow House Journals, like two of our favorite journalers that we've been following. They have been traveling around the United States having these workshops, and we've been wishing and hoping that we could go. And they were just always far, or the times didn't work out for us. And then one day they said they were going to be in Florida in Mount Dora, which is about 3.5 hours away from us. So I called Mom and said, we gotta go. And anyways, we're going. Like I said, I've been following. Donna was one of the very first junk journaling artists that I ever followed. And so I'm real excited to meet her and learn from her. And I don't know.
You know, it's always good to get together with people that are doing the same things like you are, because it's fun to exchange ideas and get, you know, inspiration from other artists, other people. I know when I lived in Northern California, we used to do that. There was a group of us that were crafters, and we would get together and have, what's the word I want to use? Inspiration evenings, you know, where everybody would come and we'd sit and talk over ideas and stuff like that. And so we're looking forward to it. We think it should be a lot of fun. So here we go. I'm going to try and get this pen in here so that it looks cool. Let's see what happens. It's just one of our little rusty pens we made. But anyway, Debbie and I are going to go up there ahead of time, right, Deb?
Yeah.
Because there's also Mount Doris has a great flea market, and fortunately it's on that same weekend. So we're going to go up and stay at I can't remember the name of the hotel, but it's been there forever, and it's an old I think it might be on the National Heritage website, but okay. So what are we thinking? Does that look good?
Cute. Love it.
Yeah, I think it does too. I love it. Yeah, okay, let's glue her down. So did you want to say any more about that? Or
I don't know. Put
no?
me on the spot.
No? Okay, well.
You guys should go and check them out. It's they're doing a joined thing, so it's called Twisted Willow Journal Workshops, and they're all over. I think they're going to be in Oregon and Texas and
Georgia. They're going to Georgia.
Yeah.
So you should check it out if you're interested in doing anything like that, because it should be a lot of fun.
Yeah, and they keep it the group small, so it's pretty an intimate.
Yeah, which is kind of neat, I think.
Yes, I do too.
Yeah. Okay, so then all you want to do is you just want to squinch him up so he, till you like him, and there he is. I think that's cute. And now you've got him. You just peel him off the paper, and he's ready to stick in your journal.
Cool.
Yeah,
Love
I think
it.
it's cute. I do too.
Cluster, yeah.
And to your fingers. But yeah, it makes a really cute piece just to stick in there, and little addition. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, cute.
Okay.
All the little pieces I think came out really, really cute.
Yeah, they did.
Mm-hmm.
I'm excited to work with the full
this
kit.
Yeah, this is an introduction to a kit that we're going to have in the shop, hopefully by the end of next week. And all the pieces of this whole set will coordinate with the set that we're coming out with this week. So you could use these pieces with that. But even if you don't, purchase that kit, these pieces are pretty versatile. You could fit them in anywhere, I think. Mm-hmm. And they're super cute.
I'm hungry for some strawberries.
I know. We've been getting some good ones. But we have to laugh because this was not the original video planned for this week. But the video that we did plan for this week, you have to have sunshine. And you'll see why next week when we do it. But that's all I'm going to say about it. But it's been 100 degrees here in Florida, real strong sun for months. This weekend, it's pouring down rain.
All day,
So,
all night.
yeah, all day. So anyway, we didn't get to do that, but we thought, what the heck? We're going to have this little kit in our coffee shop this week, or, starting today, because this is the first. And so we kind of wanted to show you, give you some inspiration on how you could use it. But anyway, I guess that's all we know from here this time.
Yeah.
Okay. So thanks for stopping by.